Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to send money on PayPal with a credit card, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal app on your phone and log into your account. Take a moment to enter your email and password carefully, since a small typo can stop you from signing in. Once you are logged in, you should see your PayPal balance or your main dashboard on the screen, which means you are ready to send money. Now look for the option that says Send and Request, or it may simply say Send. This is usually near the bottom or middle of the screen, often with an icon that looks like an arrow or money. Tap on Send and Request or Send, and the app will move you to a new page where you can choose who you want to send money to. If you tap the wrong button, you can always tap back to return to the main screen. On this screen, enter the details of the person you want to pay. You can type their name, their PayPal username, their email, or their phone number. Make sure you spell their email or username correctly, because if it belongs to someone else, the money will go to that other person. As you type, PayPal may suggest matching contacts, which can help you pick the right recipient more quickly. Once you have entered the recipient information, tap Next. This button is usually near the bottom of the screen. Tapping Next tells PayPal who you want to send money to, and it will open the page where you set the amount. If PayPal does not recognize the details, it may ask you to check them before you can move on. On the next screen, enter the amount you want to send. Tap into the amount box and type the exact number of dollars and cents. Take a second to double-check the amount, since sending too much or too little can create confusion and may require a refund. You will see the amount update on the screen as you type, so you can confirm it looks right before moving forward. After that, choose the currency for your payment. There will be an option on this same screen that shows the current currency, and you can tap it to pick a different one. For example, you might switch from United States dollars to euros if your recipient is in another country. Changing the currency can affect the fee and the final amount your recipient receives, and the app will show that difference on screen. Next up, select Friends and Family if you are sending personal money. This option is meant for sending to people you know, like relatives or close contacts, not for paying a business. If you choose Friends and Family for a personal payment, the recipient usually gets the money directly without an invoice. One thing many beginners do not realize is that using Friends and Family can reduce buyer protections, since it is not treated as a purchase. With that ready, tap Change beside the payment method. The payment method area usually shows something like your PayPal balance or a card name, and the word Change lets you pick a different source of funds. Tapping Change will open a list of all the payment methods available for this transaction, such as bank accounts or cards already linked to your PayPal. From there, select your credit card from the list. Look for the card name and the last 4 digits that match your own card, then tap on it once. If you do not see your credit card here, it means it is not available for this payment, and you would need to add it separately outside this flow. Once selected, you will return to the previous screen, and you should now see your credit card listed as the payment method. Now, check the fee and the total amount. PayPal will display any applicable fee for using a credit card, as well as the final total you will be charged. Make sure you understand that the total includes both the amount you are sending and the fee, so the charge on your card will match that total. If the fee or total does not look right, you can still go back and adjust the amount, or even switch to another payment method using the same change option. After that, tap Next to move toward confirming your payment. This button will usually sit at the bottom of the screen and may be highlighted so it stands out. When you tap Next, PayPal prepares the payment but does not send it yet, so you still have a chance to review everything before the money actually goes out. At this point, carefully check the recipient and the amount. Make sure the name or email on the screen is the exact person you want to pay, and confirm the amount and currency are correct. This is your last chance to spot a mistake, and if anything looks off, you can tap back to fix it before sending. Once everything looks right, you are ready to finish. Finally, tap Send Payment Now. This button confirms the payment and tells PayPal to charge your credit card and send the money to the recipient. After a moment, you should see a confirmation on the screen showing that your payment was sent successfully, often with the amount and the recipient name. If you later need to double-check, this payment will also appear in your recent activity inside PayPal. You have now sent money on PayPal using your credit card from start to finish. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.